Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to enable or disable the True Tone display on your iPhone. True Tone is a feature designed to adjust the screen color and brightness to match the ambient lighting, providing a more natural and comfortable viewing experience. Let's walk through the steps to manage this feature effectively. There are two main ways to enable or disable True Tone on your iPhone through the Settings app in the Control Center. Let's start with the Settings app. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. In this menu, you'll see various options related to your display settings. One of the first options you'll notice is the brightness slider. Right below this slider, you'll find the toggle for True Tone. Simply tap this toggle to enable or disable True Tone. It's straightforward. You can either turn it on or off with no additional settings to adjust. Now, let's move on to the second method using the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the Control Center. Here you'll see the brightness slider. Press and hold on the brightness slider to bring up more display options. Below the slider, you'll see buttons for dark mode, night shift, and True Tone. Tap the True Tone button to enable or disable it. This method provides a quick and easy way to adjust your display settings without navigating through the Settings app. So why is True Tone a beneficial feature on the iPhone? True Tone adjusts the screen color to match the ambient lighting, creating a more natural look. This can reduce eye strain by maintaining a consistent color balance. It enhances your viewing experience with accurate colors and improves readability in various lighting conditions. The best part is that it automatically adapts without requiring any user intervention, making it a convenient feature for everyday use. By following these steps, you can easily manage the True Tone display feature on your iPhone, ensuring that your screen always looks its best. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enable or disable True Tone on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.